Hey, welcome back. Well, as you can see, I got a pair of knee pads here, and these here can be found fairly reasonable in yard sales and stuff like that. Generally what happens is your straps will break, and you can replace those fairly easily. Anyway, these little pins right here will break as well, and that's why a lot of people get rid of them. Okay, now what generally happens is the straps break, and people either can't find the straps or they just throw the pad away. But when one of these little connectors starts to go at the bottom here, and they will break, and then the strap won't stay on, and then you end up with a knee pad that someone just throws away. So don't throw them out. And if you find something at a swap meet or yard sale and you run across this needing a button, cut this button out either with a knife right behind here, or if you can get a pair of side cutters back in there like that, you can just take this one out. There's two different size buttons. There's a short button for the top and a long button for the bottom. This is what they look like. They come in a package like this. I'll leave a link. And what I generally do is take some petroleum jelly, and I put a lot of it in the hole here and here and around the pad, whatever, and the button itself, and I'm able to actually get the button to push through that hole right there by putting this part in a vise and putting a socket over the end on this side here, which allows the button to slip inside. It's almost got to be an exact placement. Okay, once you're satisfied with the alignment on your button, and you can go ahead and tighten this down. You might want to give it a little encouragement with a screwdriver, and sometimes you can just go ahead and tighten it right on down and it'll slip right in there. And you can unscrew your vise. You might have got it a little off, but you get something like that, you might be able to just go ahead and pull it right on through with your screwdriver. There you go. And that's what you want right there. You want that plug to sit right in there. Alrighty, there's number two. These are a little easier. These are a little more difficult because they're longer. But the main thing is to have patience, get a good alignment, and then use your screwdriver to help a little bit with the pushing and prying. So until the next video, this is Steve AZ711 saying thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and hope all your knee pad repairs go well, and bye for now. Now if I just figure out where I put the other one of these, I will have two pairs.